We have next inequality. To solve it, we have to find all possible values of t for which this inequality is true. Let me copy this example first. I have 3 times t minus 1 over negative 2 is greater than 6t plus 1 over negative 3. Because we have fractions on both sides, I will multiply by the common denominator. It will be negative 6. Both sides I will multiply by negative 6. So negative 2 and negative 6 will reduce, and I have 3. And negative 3 and negative 6 will be 2. So we have 3 times 3 is 9 times t minus 1, and because I multiply both sides by negative number, I have to change the direction of inequality. So I have less than 2 times 6t plus 1. Now I have to multiply t minus 1 by 9. So 9 times t is 9t. 9 times negative 1 is negative 9, is less than, and I have to multiply 2 by whatever is in parentheses. So I have 2 times 60 is 12t. 2 times 1 is 2. Now I will collect all terms with t on the left side. So I have 9t minus 12t is less than 2 plus 9. 9t minus 12t is negative 3t, is less than 2 plus 9 is 11. And because I need to find t on the left side, I divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 3 and negative 3 will cancel, and I have t. Because I divide by negative number, I have to change the direction of inequality. Will be t is greater than negative 11 over 3. Because I have improper fraction on the right side, I will change to mixed number. So I have t is greater than negative 3 and 2/3. Now I have to draw number line t. We have 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4 will be here. So negative 3 and 2/3 will be just here. Because I have t is greater than, it means negative 3 and 2/3 will be not included. And t is greater, it means we are going to positive infinity. So our interval will be from negative 3 and 2/3 to positive infinity. This is our solution. Now I have to choose one number from this interval and replace t by this number. So for example, t will be equals 0. So we have inequality 3. Let me copy first this example. 3 times t minus 1 over negative 2 is greater than 6t plus 1 over negative 3. Now I will replace t by 0. So I have 3 times 0 minus 1 over negative 2 is greater than 6 times 0 plus 1 over negative 3. So we have 3 times 0 minus 1 is negative 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 over negative 2 is greater than 6 times 0 is 0. So I have 1 over negative 3. Negative and negative will give me positive, so I have 3 over 2 is greater than negative 1/3. this inequality is true, it means our solution is correct.